Paxcess Rockman 200 powerful portable generator to keep you going for days. Pure sine wave 110 volts AC outlets deliver stable 200 watts power for charging your small devices from laptops, tablets, smartphones to Gropros, drones, cameras, refrigerators, lights, speakers, TVs, CPAP machines, etc. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Safe stale output. With a pure sine wave AC outlet, you can power many sensitive devices without damage. Number 2. 30 watts USB-C PD input and output. Much faster and safer charging your electronics. Number 3. QC 3.0 for fast charging. Assure 30% faster charging efficiency compared to others. Number 4. Ready for CPAP users. Rockman Power Station has 2 ways to power your CPAP machine: 110 volts AC or 12 volts DC plug. We strongly recommend that CPAP users use a DC converter to work with this power station and turn off or remove the heater. Humidifier. Number 5. Multifunctional safety protection. Battery management system enables short circuit protection, voltage control, temperature control, and more advanced safety operations. Number 6. Smart display. Show the remaining battery and running power of connected devices and the input power. Easy to read charge, discharge data, and battery life status. Number 7. 5 ways of recharging. Easy to recharge by solar panel, AC wall outlet, car charger, USB-C PD, DC and USB-C PD. Number 8. Lightweight and portable. With a small handle, easy to carry, power your devices anytime, anywhere. Number 9. Quality assurance and certified safe. Safety has always been our first consideration. The Paxcess camping power source was designed by professional battery experts, which is more stylish and safer. A battery management system enables short-circuit protection, voltage control, temperature control, and more advanced safety operations. We provide lifelong technical support and an 18-month warranty. Number 10. Backup power supply for outdoor camping. 230 watts hours. Large capacity. Packed in a small size, is ready for hours of use when camping or supporting your CPAP during power outages. Perfect for home use, off-the-grid life, travel, hunting, fishing, van life, cave exploration. Number 11. Faster charge. Quick charge USB 3.0 port and 30 watts Type-C PD port for 40% faster charge. The Paxcess Rockman 200 portable generator meets the power supply needs for all your PD devices, from smartphones to laptops. At top speed, revive your MacBook Pro in only 3 to 4 hours. Number 12. Solar-ready generator. Recharge from the wall outlet, 12 to 24 volts car charger, and solar panel charger with compatible solar power charging. The power station can perform as a solar kit or solar generator, which to be eco-friendlier, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What devices can Rockman 200 power? Answer. Please note that the AC output port can only charge power devices that operate at less than a total of 200 watt. Question number 2. The Rockman 200 be charged while using? Answer. Yes, Rockman 200 supports pass-through charging, but we don't suggest. It will cause damage to battery life. Question number 3. Does the Rockman 200 portable power station have a regulated 12 volts DC port? Answer. The cigarette lighter port is 9 to 12 volts, not regulated 12 volts to prolong the battery life. If you'd like the regulated 12 volts, please purchase our Rockman 500 watts portable power station. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.